How to remove Gamma watermark from the Gamma website or the Gamma profile on your account. To do this, what you have to do is simply search for the Gamma official website here on your browser, and then what you have to do is click on the Gamma editor here. Let me just do that. That is a Air PowerPoint video creation platform where you can create videos or presentation with the help of AI. Now, the main thing what you need to do is simply click on the sign up option. If you have already an account, you should log in with the login button. To remove the watermark, what you need to do is simply take a subscription, that is an official subscription. You should remove or drop your file here in this website, that is expose.com. You should click on that, and then you can click on the remove a watermark option. From this, it can remove any videos or files watermark within some seconds. So this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel.